Congratulations on your purchase of Raise3D DF Cure. You will receive a box of Raise3D DF Cure. In this video, we will cover the complete unpacking and installation process to help you quickly start using your DF Cure. To unpack the DF Cure safely, you will need a pair of scissors or a utility knife. Okay, let's get started. When you receive your Raise3D DF Cure, place it in an open area and keep a separation distance of 50 centimeters around the box for unpacking. First, cut the packing straps. Next, cut the packing tape along the top of the box. Then open the box. Remove all the cardboard spacers. Remove the cardboard. There is a power cord matching your local standard. You can check the power cord by looking at the label on the side of the box. Different countries or regions will receive different standards of power cords. Take out the tray and carefully store it for future operations. Take out the firmware upgrade kits and carefully store them for future operations. Take out the heat-resistant gloves and carefully store them for future use. Remove the styrofoam. Remove all the cardboard spacers. We recommend having a second person to help you remove the cardboard box. Remove the protective bag. We recommend having a second person to help you. Together, lift the DF Cure out of the foam padding. Carefully place it in an open area for future installation. Place the DF Cure on a stable, well-ventilated and dry area. During installation, maintain a proper clearance of 30 centimeters on the side of the DF Cure, 40 centimeters at the front, 20 centimeters at the back, and 20 centimeters on top. Prepare all the components shown in the video. Plug one end of the power cord into the power socket on the back of the DF Cure. Plug the other end of the power cord into the power source. Flip the power switch to power on the DF Cure. Tap the touch button on the top of the DF Cure to open the front door. Align the two cylindrical pins at the bottom of the tray with the pin slots. Place the tray steadily, slotting it downwards. Gently press the tray to ensure that it is fully seated. Close the front door, and the installation is complete. Congratulations! You have finished the guide. For additional inquiries or technical support, please visit www.raise3d.com or contact Raise3D customer service at support@raise3d.com.